Alright guys, you're gonna be seeing this. Well, this is recorded after the sealer jobs that we did. I had recorded like a big, well, I've been away for a while and stuff. I just didn't really like how it came out, so I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. I haven't recorded for about a year now. Me and my brother were with the company for like 8 years, and we are no longer with them. We started our own business. So we're working under our own name now. I'm not going to get into the details and stuff like that, but it is a legal company now. We started an LLC. It's not incorporated as of yet. We have business insurance. We bought a trailer, blowers, the whole nine. So we officially seal for ourselves now. So yeah, I figured I'd bust the camera back out and kind of take you guys along with me. I obviously don't want to be too specific, but I'm from New York State, so there's a lot that goes into opening a business in New York State. But yeah, so the name we went with is SealTeam6. Well, you guys can kind of see that. You can see it on my shirt. But yeah, SealTeamSix.716 is the name. Yeah, so we're in the western New York area. If anyone sees this and is around that area, give us a call. There is still a lot of stuff that I have to do for the business. Obviously, I can't show you guys this stuff. New York State, you have to publish for 6 weeks when you open a business. It's just like a weird law that they have. So we got that going on. We got DMV stuff going on for our DOT numbers. We opened up a business bank account, obviously. We got our tax stuff going on. Obviously, I can't show you guys, this paperwork, but I pretty much wanted to bust out the camera and say I've been away for quite a bit. Part of that was because the company I was working for didn't want us to record anything at all. We tried. They weren't happy with it. They told us to stay away from the recording and stuff like that, so obviously we listened, and now that we're on our own, we can do whatever we want. One sweet thing is I opened up a Square business account, so I have like these sweet little card readers. They like go on your phone and you can tap or swipe your card. I don't know why, but I feel like I'm a lame, but I was so excited. I was waiting for this in the mail for like a week. I was so pumped when it came. But yeah, so we're a legal business now. SealTeam6 is the name. Just kind of wanted to give like a little intro before I just put a video out. And I bought some cool new stuff since I'm allowed to record now. You guys are looking at me on a Canon EOS M600, I think it is, or something. M700. I forget exactly what it is, but it's a nice camera. We did actually just get our external microphone in. So I will have an external mic, so the audio outside will be better. I bought this sweet little drone. It's just a mini S2. Nothing special. It's like a $400 or $500 drone, but I think it'll be cool to go up and get like befores and afters. So we got a drone now. We got the camera that I'm on, and we have 2 GoPros. Like I said, our external mic. So yeah, we're pretty excited. We do plan on growing. Obviously, we're still a small company. We just 2 trucks, one sealer trailer, 2 blowers, yada yada. Smaller right now. We are taking on some pretty decent jobs. We've done a couple gas stations already, and we do have some pretty big stuff in the works. Yeah, so stay tuned. The video content should get better. In the past, I was using a phone. I do have a new phone now, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So I'll probably record like little stuff in the truck, with this one, just of us in the truck or whatever. And then the big camera will be used for like time-lapse type of stuff. And then we got the drone, as well as the GoPro Hero 6. So yeah, stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoy the videos. The video that you're going to see now is, I think, just 2 small driveways, but I just wanted to start putting content out, so I brought the camera with us today, and I didn't have an intro or anything, so I figured I'd put this out, that you guys kind of watch this into the video. So yeah, enjoy the video. and there'll be a lot more where that came from. So we're a little late starting, but you guys should get the picture. I'm talking on the video. Get a finished product, huh?
Yeah, I got
This is what it turned out like, guys. Sorry for the shitty recording on this one. We're still getting used to everything. Turned out good. Keep it coming.
Yeah.
I'm gonna eat this shit up.
Yeah, dude. That was good now, though.
Yeah, it does.
Sealer, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I need more. Whatever, though. We'll fill up, that's good. We'll fill up tomorrow or something.
I mean, bro. How good that already looks.
Cheese.
Yeah, I will.
Or actually, yeah. Hopefully you guys can see this good. Just a little approach to end off the day, you know. A little something light. There goes Frankie Frank.
What a G! Oh, here it all.
Came out good. This shit was falling apart. Look at the road. Hopefully you guys can kind of see that. It's fucking all rock, just like that was. So it looks way better than it did, and now it's actually at least gonna keep it held together.
Yeah, back.
All right, I'll see you on the next one.